Effective note-taking strategies for lectures and presentations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on effective study strategies. Today, we're going to dive deep into note-taking strategies for different learning scenarios, specifically focusing on note-taking for lectures and presentations. This is a vital skill, not just for students but for anyone attending any kind of informative session. So, let's get started. You might wonder, why do I need to take notes? Can't I just listen and absorb the information? The answer is yes, you could do that. But research shows that the act of note-taking itself can enhance your understanding and retention of the material. Taking notes allows you to engage more fully with the content, and provides you with a written record that you can revisit for future reference. Before we dive into specific strategies tailored for lectures and presentations, let's quickly go over some general note-taking methods you might already be familiar with. 1. Cornell Method. This method divides your paper into 3 sections: cues, notes, and summary. This allows you to jot down main points, ask questions, and summarize all in one place. 2. Mind mapping. This involves writing a main idea in the center of your paper and drawing branches to related topics or subtopics. 3. Linear notes. Traditional bullet point or numbered lists fall under this category. Remember, the best method is the one that works for you, so don't hesitate to try different approaches to find your fit. Now, let's look at some strategies tailored for lectures and presentations. 1. Active listening. Active listening is not just hearing but engaging with the content. Keep an eye out for key phrases or transitional words that signal important points. 2. Identify the structure. Usually, speakers have an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Identifying this structure can help you organize your notes more effectively. 3. Use abbreviations and symbols. Don't get bogged down by writing every word. Use shortcuts like and, for, and, plus, for, plus, etc. 4. Capture examples and data. If the speaker uses statistics or examples to back their points, jot them down. They'll make your notes more comprehensive. 5. Review and revise. It's not enough just to take notes. You must review them later for them to be effective. There is an ongoing debate about which is better, digital or handwritten notes. Research suggests that handwritten notes help with retention, but digital notes can be more convenient and easier to organize. Choose what suits your needs, but remember the fundamentals of note-taking remain the same regardless of the medium. That wraps up our discussion on note-taking strategies for lectures and presentations. We hope you found this helpful and that you'll be able to use some of these strategies the next time you find yourself in a lecture hall or watching a presentation. Until next time, happy studying!